Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. This is your social studies class, and today we are going to start the new chapter from your unit number 1, and that chapter name is How Natural Disasters Change the Land. So, students, in this chapter, we will learn about the natural disasters, and then we will learn that how natural disasters affect on the land. So, the first topic of this chapter is floods. As all of you know, that what is flood? When there is heavy rainfall, the lakes and rivers overflow and large areas are flooded. Students' floods occur when the mountain snow melts too quickly and flows down the mountains. And mostly when too many trees are cut down, there are no roots to soak up the rainwater, as all of you know that when it rains, the soil soaks the rainwater. This rainwater collects and floods the land. Then during and after flood, million habitat of living things are destroyed. Millions of living things drown in the flood water. Floods bring quick and very destructive changes on land. So by not getting flood, we have to do many precautions like we should not cut trees. More trees must be planted and drains should be cleaned regularly. As you know, when there is rainfall, drains get stuck. Okay, students, so the next topic of this chapter is droughts. You know what is drought? Drought is a land where there is no rainfall for a long time and the areas dries up, then we call it drought. The rivers and lakes dry up, even the soil dries up and it cracks and become useless, as you can see in this picture. We cannot grow crops on this land. So students, if the crops cannot be grown, it leads toward the food shortage. There is no drinking water. There is no water in cities for factories, etc. People have to move away from this area because they cannot grow anything. The survival for living is very difficult because of no food and water. Okay, students. So the next topic of this chapter is cyclones. Cyclones are very powerful storm. They are caused by spinning masses of air. Cyclones have very high speed and it moves very furiously towards the land and it destroys everything. The swirling winds cause huge waves in the seas. These waves floods coastline areas and sweep away humans' settlements. Students, look at this picture. It shows that how heavy the winds of the cyclones are. They cause great loss to life and property, so we have to be careful when this natural disaster occurs. Now, student, the last topic of this chapter is earthquake. Earthquake is also a natural disaster, as all of you know. When the two plates collide and push against each other, the plates shake and we feel the movement. We call it an earthquake. These plates are inside the earth, like the crust is divided into 12 huge pieces called tectonic plates. Earthquakes are felt more strongly at the point where the plates collide. As earthquake is a natural disaster, so without any warning, it occurs and can cause massive destruction. Earthquakes are common in some mountainous areas. Unfortunately, there are mountainous areas in Pakistan where the crust is weak. We had destructive earthquakes which was on October 2005 which killed hundreds of people and destroyed thousands of homes. Now what precautions we have to follow are we should design buildings that can survive earthquakes. We should raise awareness of what to do when an earthquake occurs. People should be trained to perform rescue work. They should be taught how to dig through fallen buildings to find survivors. So, students, this was your topic. I hope you understand it well. Thank you.